Hi creators, welcome to our channel. If you're a programmer, you may have encountered this WordPress error before. It's called a fatal error, cannot redeclare class. The fatal error, cannot redeclare class, occurs when you try to define a class that has already been defined. This can happen if you include the same PHP file more than once, or if you define a class with the same name in two different files that are included in the same script. To solve this error, you need to make sure that you only define each class once. Here are a few possible solutions. Solution 1. Use require_once expression instead of require expression when including files that define classes. This will ensure that the file is only included once, even if the same code is executed multiple times. Second solution is to use include_once or require_once instead of include or require when including files that define classes. Solution 3. Check to make sure that you are not defining the same class name in multiple files. If you are, rename one of the classes to something unique. Solution 4. Check for any duplicate class definitions within the same file. If you find any, remove the duplicate definition. Solution 5. Use an autoloader to load classes automatically when they are needed. This can help to prevent the cannot redeclare class error, as well as make your code more modular and maintainable. By following these solutions one by one, you should be able to resolve the fatal error, cannot redeclare class error, and ensure that your PHP code runs smoothly. Thank you for watching our video on WordPress error solving tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.